Hello everyone, today I want to recommend a backpack of MAH to you. The bag is made of coffee grounds cork based on the notion of regenerative design. It touches soft and you can see particles of cork and coffee grounds clearly, and the bag is lightweight. It goes like this. I think it is quite unique in design, and seems special when you go out, suitable for all kinds of occasions. It is suitable for 13 inches laptop. This is the pendant I added by myself. There is a zipper pocket in the back, which is convenient for us to get our phone. The front design looks like this. There is an interlayer when opening the cover of the bag. There is a zipper pocket in the large compartment. It is very considerate to design a rope for hiding keys. I always put my key here, which is easy for me to get it. The inside of the bag is in bright yellow and also have a zipper pocket on the side. I put a pack of this drip coffee. There is also a separate area for laptop. And the other side of bag, I put my wash-free hand sanitizer in it, and my iPad charger and a cable. This bag has a very large capacity for our books, a QT pen bag, and my bobby pin, a storage bag of perfume, a good smell hand cream, an moistening machine, and this is another storage bag, which is also a card bag, power bank, my scrapbooks, with a pink heart on it. The following is my practice book, and a pretty notebook, and that's the whole thing in my bag. The bag is not only has a lightweight, but also easy for storage. That's how thin it is when folded. Hope you will love it. Thanks.